So before getting into the actual reproduction, first is the jellyfish life cycle itself, which the medusa is like the end, it's the adult, and then those produce the larva. The larva then develop into the polyps, and then polyps with buds, the aphyra larva, which then grows into the medusa. Next just shows the male and the female jellyfish. Looking from beneath the jellyfish, we have the tentacles around the edge, and then the arms, which we depict as the tentacles, and then the mouth. Jellyfish only have one orifice, which acts as their mouth, their anus, or the gateway into, like, the females in order to get the sperm and then release their offspring. Next, the sperm is then produced by the male and then is released into the water, and then the female takes in the sperm. Following the intake of the sperm inside the medusa, the sperm meets the eggs, and then the females give birth to larvae, which then develop into polyps. Once the polyps are born, they will attach themselves to rocks, similarly to sea anemones, and then they will eventually grow into building polyps. So up until this point, sexual reproduction was taking place, where the sperm and the eggs were coming together, and then the female would produce offspring. So now the building polyps are able to detach these small ephyra larvae, which will then eventually grow into the fully grown medusa. Therefore, in this particular life cycle of sea jellies, both kinds of reproduction are able to happen, sexual and asexual, because during sexual reproduction, the males will release their sperm into the water, or in some cases, they will directly kind of inject their sperm into the female, and then the sperm and the eggs come together and then will form offspring. And then in the asexual reproduction, the polyps will detach small pieces, and then those are the ephyra larvae, and then eventually those will develop into being fully grown medusa.